just got over. Epic gas. So
yeah.
wow, look at that.
Holy shit. I've never done that before. That's awesome.
This is the best street.
That is so killer.
Oh,
This is like a mystic forest.
Yes,
Like, I love it.
First reaction to driving it.
It's awesome.
I mean, you have
like,
really...
I'm afraid to like put my foot down because I'm afraid it's gonna go like.
It will. It is very responsive. This car.
I always make fun of my friend that has a Prius.
Oh yeah.
I said you're in a. Well, this is a family show. I gotta be careful. That's real nice.
Oh my god, and they have treats in a little water boat.
Stop it.
So
oh my
cute.
god. No.
Doesn't it? It's like, yeah.
Yeah, it
Driving
turns
really long.
really nice.
It's like
You know, I remember when I was little, I used to go to the races with my dad and my mom. And I used to absolutely love the smell.
yes.
Love it. Like,
Yes.
it brings back memories. So that was like nostalgic for me. So
I totally agree. Or just even the exhaust from like older cars versus like newer cars. Like you'll go to a car show and you're like, yup, that right there.
yeah, that's it. It's the good stuff. Like, I even like the smell of gasoline. Like, it's just, I think that's something that a lot of people like, the smell of gasoline. You know, it's not like you're gonna sniff it or whatever, but it's nice. I like one of these. I'll take one. We're like creeping on the sky, like.
And they're looking over at us like, oh,
That's a cat. That's a cat.